Welcome to a world of discovery where every day is a new adventure. Our journey takes us across continents through bustling cities and remote landscapes, sampling culinary delights, unearthing intriguing facts along the way. This is the Global Grasp Channel, your gateway to the world. Dive into the unfamiliar as we unravel the mysteries of the world. Journey with us as we uncover hidden corners of the earth, bringing to light the stories that often go untold. We're not just about destinations, we're about discovery. From the captivating tales of ancient civilizations to the intriguing facts of the natural world, we're here to fuel your curiosity. With each video, we strive to offer a new perspective, a fresh insight, unearth the secrets of the globe, one video at a time. Indulge your senses in a gastronomic journey across the continents, unveil the secrets of world cuisines, relish the authenticity of local delicacies, and savor the diverse flavors that each region has to offer. Experience the joy of discovering unique food facts, revealing the magic behind every bite. Embark on this flavorful voyage where every dish tells a story, every ingredient has a history, and every taste evokes a memory. Taste the world with Global Grasp Channel. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? With Global Grasp, every click is a ticket to the wonders of our world. From bustling markets to serene landscapes, from exotic dishes to captivating histories. Subscribe to Global Grasp Channel and transform the way you see the world.